But sir, why do you say Irani Nastaliq is dead?
No, Irani Nastaliq is a beautiful Nastaliq, you know. Actually, what Amir Khani did,
Yes, experiments.
the delicacy of the Irani Nastaliq or the Nastaliq, the Mir Ahmad, or, you know, it's not there now. It's not there now, right? And it looks to me very crude, you know. And I discuss with them, you know. In these days, Ali Shirazi is a friend of mine, Jawad Bakhtiyari is a friend of mine. You know, we sit together, we talk, and they commit. Yes, we just, they came to me, you know, whenever anybody came from Iran, and they visit me, and I show them what I was teaching. You know, I have made some loha and show to them. They said, they commit. Your Nastaliq is very good. It's better than us. But, you know, but the beauty of Nastaliq, Irani Nastaliq, is also there. You know, when they arrive, you know, it's just like, you know,
Water flowing.
beautiful, beautiful. But the delicacy of the Nastaliq which he shows to you is not there in Iran. Yes, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What do you want to say? Guyand ki sang lal shavad dar maqam sabr.
Jabr hai.
Guyand ki sang lal shavad dar maqam sabr. Auri wali बखून जिगर शवा सलाम सबको मेरी तरफ से सबसे पहले उस्ताद साहब की बाशरफ मौजूदगी में ये मेरे लिए बहुत समझें कि एक एजाज़ की बात है कि अमूमन मेरी ये रविश नहीं रही कि मैं उस्ताद के सामने कभी
मैं उन्हें देख ही नहीं रहा यार।
आप देखेंगे तो मैं यकीनन नहीं लेता। लेकिन ये चलते चलते एक बात, ये ख़ताती बुनियादी तौर पे एक पूरा दस्तूर है, ये सिर्फ एक लिखने का मामला है। दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ राइटिंग, दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ कल्चर एंड द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ दैट कल्चर इज़ टू रिस्पेक्ट द ग्रैंड मास्टर एंड टीचर्स. Teacher is basically a typical word. Ustad is basically the word that carries the spirit of that. When we talk about Nastaliq, then there is so much historical and technical weight behind this word, and especially in the modern age, when there is a lot of effort has been done, and as a learner, though I'm here to serve that ilm muqaddas, and I'm still a learner and I will be inshallah. तो उस्ताद एक बहुत बड़ा लफ्ज़ है, वो अपने नाम के साथ लगाना जो है वो उस्ताद मोहतरम जो है ये शख्सियत से पता चलता है. There is so much to tell about Nastaliq, and regarding Irani Nastaliq and regarding Lahori Nastaliq. So one should have a particular knowledge about the script to understand the technical depth of the difference itself. But I will try to make it simple and साहब आपकी इजाज़त से.
बिल्कुल जी बिल्कुल. और मैं
तारीख
कुछ
तारीख जो है वो बहुत कुछ बताती है, और उसके लिए माशाल्लाह फ़कीर साहब और उस्ताद साहब एक बेहतर ज़ुबान रखते हैं मेरी नाक़िस ज़ुबान के मुकाबले, वो आपको बता सके. एक ही जिन्स से जन्म लेने वाली दूसरी जो उसकी किस्म होती है, दो मुख्तलिफ जिनसों का तकाबुल करना to evaluate and to make an analysis of the same species sometimes it gets a bit harder to understand. But the main difference between the Lahori Nastaliq and Irani Nastaliq is the angle itself. We follow approximately the angle of 60 to 65 degrees, an overall angle that has been followed in Persian Nastaliq.
काम करें
And this is Lahori. And there are two words basically used for each of these steps. The very sentence that, the very word that has been explained by the Ustad Mohtaram, the basic nature of Iranian Nastaliq is its spontaneous nature. Barjastagi, besakhtagi. When you carry the kalam, you are going to write it, not going to make it. That is called
यानी कि वो लाहौरी को कहा जाता है इट्स लाइक एन आर्ट फॉर्म
Barjastagi and
ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं
and the very specific word used for this is tasanno. Tasanno.
अप्रोच है
Sanahi.
Sanahi.
अच्छा
So there are reasons behind this. If something has been originated from this particular script, and why this is spontaneous and this is is called it carries the word tasanno to make it. So this is a long debate. Basically, it's good to see some people are here to listen this kind of conversation, and I'm really glad to see this Hasan Basal actually. Actually, what we lack in our society is our interest about our language, particularly, and our script. So, really thankful to
There is
Jamur Saab and
What's Shukriya?
the things he writes. There's a very good, I think I should, explain this to you people. Yeah.
What's Shukriya Saj Sahab? बहुत खूब.
ये उस्ताद साहब की मौजूदगी में इतनी जुरत मेरे लिए जो है ना वो
This Allah of Nastali originated by the inventors, right? In Pakistan, I was working in television, and I take leave from there, and I came to Hafiz Saab, Hafiz Siddiqui, my master, and I asked him that the inventors, they write like this, and you write like this, and I know that this is wrong. Right? Because Allah right? Two lam. And there is no lam. This is no lam. This is no lam. This is how I can accept. Right? I was talking with my master because he was a spiritual master as well. He said, Rashid, look, whoever create this, whoever, he should be Sufi. And he thought that I should invent written Allah, and that no other word in Nastaliq can write like this. In Nastaliq,
So फिर से explain करें, फिर से explain करें. नहीं, it's very, this is something very important.
no, I'm going to, in Urdu.
जी सर. हमें भी कुछ सीखना है आपसे.
हुआ ये कि हाफिज साहब मुझे लेके एक होटल में ले गए, कहते चल खाना खाते. मैंने जेब से पेन निकाला तो मैं कुछ लिखने लगा, वो यही लिखने लगा हूँ. अभी मैंने लिखा नहीं. अब देखें सूफी क्या होता है, ठीक है. तो एकदम से मेरे हाथ पे उन्होंने जोर से ऐसे मारा ना. मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या हुआ. इस हाथ पे नहीं लिखते,
उल्टे हाथ में नहीं लिखते.
उल्टे हाथ पे नहीं लिखते. ये मैं आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द spiritual master. I'm not talking about the calligrapher master. He's a spiritual master also. Then he gave me a paper right here. I say, okay.
He was going to write on his left hand, so the teacher
Tapped on his
you
hand.
can't write on your left hand.
Don't write ever on left hand, because he was a Sufi, and he knows. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि मैंने उनसे कहा कि ये गलत है, ये गलतुल आम हुआ है, और आप जो लिख रहे हैं ये अल्लाह भी वाज़े है, लाम भी वाज़े है, लाम भी वाज़े है, ये भी वाज़े है, तो ये ठीक है. तो कहने लगे नहीं, वो जिसने भी इजाद किया है वो सूफी आदमी था, और उसने ये सोच के इसको इन्वेंट किया है कि कोई दूसरा कोई लफ्ज नस्तालीक का इस तरह ना लिखा जाए. तो अब नस्तालीक पूरे खत को देख ले, फारसी को देख ले, उर्दू को देख ले, कोई लफ्ज इस शेप में नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा, interesting.
अब मैं आपको छेड़ने लगा.
So can I just translate?
So,
His teacher said that whoever invented this Allah did it, he must have been a spiritual person.
Yeah.
He did it to make it unique in the whole of Nastali. No other word is written.
No other word in Nastali can write, you can write this.
It became like a symbol, which is unique.
Now I am going to give you a question, right?
sir.
Have it, think about it, and ask people around you, right? the tertib of alphabets, which is popular today, is not original. The tertib of original was else. Is anybody can tell me when it is changed? Go and think about it.
कह रहे हैं अबजद,
अब
वो ईरान के दोस्त कह रहे हैं अबजद की
When it was going to change, who changed it?
who has done this thing?
That I know that the Abjad was the first theme, Arab, Jim, Dal, Abjad, Hafaz, Hutti, Kalam, and Saf. You know, I know that. You know. Who changed it?
There's a different question.
And when was changed?
When it was changed.
This is the question.
And why it was changed? Why it was changed?
Why was changed? Yeah.
There's another
This
question.
is another question. Why was changed? Yes.
उस्ताद जी गुतली आप ही समझाएं आपकी मेहरबानी
Yeah. I was in Algeria, and there was the international exhibition. There was a great scholar from Baghdad, Mr. Yusuf Saloon, was delivering a lecture here. So I just asked one of my Iraqi friends, can I teach him a little bit? He said, are you sure you can teach him? I said, I think I can teach him. Then go ahead. I said, "Okay." Then I went to Rostam and asked him a question. Who changed this tertib? And he was not aware. He gave me answer. We were changed in Medina, and Kufa, and this and this. I said, no, you are wrong. Then, all the, we need to be 50 calligraphers were sitting around the world, leading calligraphers. So we have long discussion then. It was changed in the 4th Hijrah. When Ibn Muqla was invented new scripts, he was practicing to give a perfect shape, right? When he was practicing, he writes sheen and same sheen. Swat and Guad, same word, toy, zoe, and he put together. So it is going to be changed.
I actually have one question.
Yes, please.
Regarding these inventions in calligraphy. So my question is, what was the driving force for these inventions? I mean, was it the initiative of the calligraphers, or were they divinely inspired to do these changes? So for example, if I don't remember the name of the calligrapher, so he came up with the idea to write Allah in a unique way. So was it his own idea, or was he somehow divinely inspired?
It's not a simple thing. It's a very, very special act, you can say, right? And also, for example, when I'm a calligrapher, right? And I is going to be master in one script. If I am a Sufi as well, right? Not like me, like Abdul Majid Tanveer Khan, like Mir Ali Tabrizi, then they start thinking, we should do something new, something special, something new. And they are, those kind of people was helped by the divine, right? For example, when Mir Ali he was a great calligrapher, he was expert in other scripts, and he was interested to invent something, right, new. So then, he was struggling and struggling and struggling, by heart, by mind, all the time. Then some riwayat mawjood, Hazrat Ali came to his dream and he said to him, why don't you go and see the water creature? ये मछली और ये जो समुद्री मखलूक है,
duck.
इस पे गौर करो, इस पे गौर करो, इस पे गौर करो। देन वहाँ से फिर उन्होंने वो हरूफ निकाले, नीम है, बे है, ये है,
So
ये
divine
सारी-
inspiration
तो
has an
yes,
active role.
yes, 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 yes. 100% whoever invent anything,
And which is authentic.
yes, anything, not calligraphy, anything.
Anything.
Yeah, of course, it applies to all.
And Allah said in Quran, you know, وَأَمَّا مَا يَنْفِعُ النَّاسِ فَيَمْكُثُ فِي الْأَرْضِ। जो भी काम कोई करेगा इंसानियत की भलाई के लिए, उसका नाम रोए ज़मीन से नहीं मिटा सकता। और वो जो भलाई है, अगर फर्ज किया है मर्क्यूरी ने रेडियो ईजाद किया है तो इट्स हेल्पफुल फॉर द पीपल। और किसी ने एरोप्लेन ईजाद किया तो उसमें ये नहीं कहा कि मुसलमान ही सिर्फ करेंगे तो ये होगा, वो जो भी करे वो सारा।
But of course, one also need to have, certain preparatory
Yeah.
conditions, of course, to receive that
इसमें
inspiration, of course.
जो कैलीग्राफी है, it helps to spread the knowledge. You know, if there is no calligraphy, no knowledge.
So without spiritual discipline, you cannot be a
Right.
That's right. That's right. And without knowledge,
Of course.
everybody is zero.
Yeah.
And knowledge is not information. Knowledge is knowledge. And if anybody were interested to go for knowledge, he should go to Quran and Hadith. That's
You
it.
you need to have both intelligence and will.
That's
of course,
it.
Of course.
The whole knowledge is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उस्ताद जी आखिर में छोटा सा ऑडियो विजुअल है 6 मिनट का, चला दो।
क्या जी?
एक ऑडियो विजुअल चीज है।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
हमारी नस्तानी बातचीत ये हराम कर दिया, ये हाथों में लिया कि मैं इसकी सलाही करने की कोई गुंजाइश है।
काम है पास, हमेशा काम करने
मुझे पता चल गया कौन है।
अब पता चला मैं कौन। दो वो तो खाओगे I was in Mashhad. I was in Mashhad. And they invited many